All right, Victor Isibor here, back on the review. Today, if it's your first time, today we make reviews of make money online and offline opportunities. I hope you find a reason to subscribe before the end of the video. And to my returning subscribers and viewers, salute, like in the military. It's a pleasure having you back on this YouTube channel. All right. Disclaimer, I'm not an investment advisor. Do not take my word for it. Do your own due diligence. I shall not be responsible for any profits you make or any losses you incur as a result of you interacting with my content. And with that disclaimer out of the way, let us do justice to ITP. Now, there's something about ITP that I need to point out real quickly. They seem to have two websites. Okay. This acquaintance of mine who sent me this sent me a link that carried itp.club. There's another one that carries itpro.top. Okay. I'm assuming that they operate both websites for different reasons. I think when you're about to register, you interact with one, and when you log in, you're interacting with the other one. We've seen something similar to that in the past. Okay. So really quickly, without further ado, we'll find out that, here they are talking about marketing. Okay. New user first deposit. They are giving out bonuses and incentives for you to deposit, for you to invite people. They're talking about inviter bonuses. When you bring in somebody into the system, you get a particular amount of money from what the person brings into the system. Okay. The second part here. Okay. Not this lucky draw. The other one. The other one is a slide. Actually, when you open this website, there's a pop-up image with the compensation plans. When you bring in people, the amounts they bring in, the amount they give you, it pops up. Okay. So let's keep going. They talk about quantitative trading. All right. So apparently they use a robot to interact in the crypto markets and generate profits. Okay. So they do something similar to arbitrage, because like right here you're seeing Binance, Coinbase, Huobi. So they have a robot that, according to them, can take advantage of price variations across two different exchanges, buy low here, sell higher there, at the speed of light, according to them. It's not written here, but they said you can make anywhere between 2.5% to 4% on a daily basis doing crypto arbitrage. All right. Okay. So let us take a little bit of time, to look at this particular website, itp.club. Was registered this year, very new. But then again, that acquaintance of mine made me to look at itpro.top, and that obviously that one has been around for much longer. Let's see, let's check it out. So you see, itpro.top, registered on 2018, July the 13th, 2018. They're using this as a selling point. It's like, oh, it's been around for a long time, since 2018. You need to check it out and all that. So we're going to come to this later. Make sure you watch out for my counterpunch, because they always want to use longevity as a sign of legitimacy. All right. So let's leave here, and let's go to the Wayback Machine real quick. Now, Wayback Machine analysis of, you can see, itpro.top. All right. So 11 activities on that particular website has been recorded by the Wayback Machine. And if you look at this Wayback Machine very well, you will see that there were no activities in 2018. none in 2019, none in 2020, none in 2021, none in 2022. There are only activities as marked in yellow and black in 2023. All right. So let us highlight 2018 as a proof so that we'll know what activities took place there. All right. This is 2018. Scroll all the way down. There is nothing for you to see. All right. Nothing for you to see. When we did the whois analysis, you saw where they wrote that July the 13th, 2018, the website was created. And this guy selling, trying to sell this project to me is using that 2018 as a selling point, saying, oh, they've been operational since then. They just decided to open up to Africa and Asia 2 months ago. All right. No activities. Okay. Now let us look at 2023. Click on 2023. You see 2023, you see April 13th, there is an activity highlighted there on that particular website, on ITP Pro. When you scroll again, you see that in June, there were two activities, 8th of June, 24th, of June. All right. Scroll all the way down, you see July 13th and 31st, both. Something happened on the website, activities were carried out and was captured. And August 2nd and 7th, October 10th and 19th, something happened on the website. All right, so the first time anything happened on this website was when? April the 13th. Yeah, as captured here. All right, so if we click on it, you see there were two snapshots. I'm trying to load the first snapshot on April 13th, 2023. You see ITP Corporation. All right. See, this is what their website, look like. The very first day that activity started here. All right. Okay. All right. Now, let me counterpunch. That I built a house 30 years ago, all right, does not mean that I have been living in that house for 30 years. I could build a house 30 years ago, abandon it, and then move in just last week. Then when I go to the landlord's meeting, I'll tell them I've been living in this area for 30 years. That's not true, bro. You built the house, nothing was done in the house, you never lived there, and you just moved in last week, so you're a newbie. So for a website like itpro.top, they only came around in April the 13th, as against what you see on whois analysis. Let's go to whois so that you see what I'm trying to say. All right. So whois can tell you, oh, it was registered 2018. But is it true to say that this company has been operational, this website has been operational since 2018? Well, the Wayback Machine has a different opinion. All right. So I can register a website and, not do anything there for years and years. Then 2 months ago, I just had an idea. Okay, let me create a platform and use it to collect people's money. Then I'll put everything on that website and boom, I'm started. The domain name is old, but the project is new. All right. So let us go back to the website. Like I said, they have two websites. They have two websites, itp.club and itpro.top. Now, these guys, claim to do crypto arbitrage, quantitative trading, and they can offer you anywhere between 2.5 to 4% returns on a daily basis trading arbitrage, across exchanges. Buy low here, sell high there. First of all, let me tell you a few things about crypto arbitrage. Crypto arbitrage is is the safest market you can trade in the world of crypto. It is very safe, but it is the least profitable. You can't compare arbitrage money with money you get from the spot market or from the futures market. Okay, it is very low. And when you're talking about inter exchange arbitrage, like they claim they're doing, opportunities for this arbitrage are what? They are few and they are far between. Few and far between. All right? Those opportunities are hardly there. And when they are there, you only get to make only a few cents. Okay? When people are placing a buy order, okay, a price order for a particular token, okay, different price orders that are listed on exchanges, the last one, that was matched, okay, the last one that was triggered is reflected as the price of that particular token on that exchange. Okay, that can be different from what you have on Huobi if we're talking about Binance. And most times, these arbitrage opportunities are marginal. Okay, they give you small profit and they are not there for a long time. They can only exist for maybe 2 to 3 minutes before you know the exchanges synchronize everything and everything is made, uniform again. Okay, so arbitrage is not a niche you can build an entire business on. And trust me, you cannot be getting 2.5 to 4% daily returns consistently trading an inconsistent market like crypto arbitrage. It's not possible. You can't fix ROI in a volatile market doing a business that the opportunities don't even occur very often. You can go several weeks and there are no arbitrage opportunities. So how do you pay these fixed returns? Between 2.5 to 4% on a daily basis. And trust me, guys, let's be smart. If these guys have something that can consistently be giving them 4% returns on a daily basis, why do they need us? Why do they need you and I? Why do they need you and I? They can grow their money. That means with $100, these guys can be getting $4 every day. Why do they need you? Why do they need you? With $100, they can make a profit of $120 in a month. All right. Then in 10 months, they have a $1,200 profit. Oh, come on, guys. They don't need you. All right. They would rather take a loan or sell a valuable to do it. So why are they opening their doors to everybody to come and enjoy from their so-called secret formula? Guys, those that say that this platform has been existing since 2018, I think I was able to debunk that from the Wayback Machine. But if, however, you intend to challenge this, I dare you to show me a video on YouTube about this ITP, a video of last year. You say it's 2018. Show me a 2022 video presentation on ITP. Then I'll keep short. Put the link to the video in the description of this video. Because how do we know a platform that is old? If you were to go on YouTube and search for MMM now, you will see MMM videos from 2017. You see MMM videos from 2018. That's how to tell if a platform is old. You feel me? So if you say a platform is old, how come all the videos, promotional videos, review videos about this opportunity, they were just a few months ago? All right. And it is impossible for a project to be paying since 2018 and they just decided a few months ago to open their doors to Asia and Africa a few months ago. Where have they been operating since? We all know that the target market for all these so-called make money online platforms is the Asian and the African market. And I don't know why we are not good students of history. If you are interacting with this platform, does this platform not remind you of the notorious COTPS? that was doing this same crypto, so-called crypto arbitrage, and paying you 1.6% on a daily basis. 1.6% on a daily basis, thereabout 2% on a daily basis, I can't remember. Does it not remind you of also of Swapnex? Exact same model, similar website. They have an application, they have a website. You see, OTPS even had like 2 different websites. The one you sign up is different, the one you log into is different, and they have an application as well. Does this not remind you guys of Kala AI? Do we forget so easily? All right. There are so many projects that have come and, pretended to be doing crypto arbitrage, and they can't keep it up. Recently, we all know what happened with AAS. Those ones too had some issues, going on. I've not seen any so-called crypto arbitrage opportunity lasting anywhere above 6 months. So guys, you have to be careful when you're interacting with businesses like this. A website that does not tell you who operates it, where they are operating from, you don't even know anything about them. Absolutely nothing. That means any miscreant can just open a website, tell you whatever they want to tell you, ask you to refer family members and friends, then you just gullibly follow them, follow through, and you do stuff like this. Come on, guys, if you're looking for legitimate and transparent opportunities to make money on the internet, look in the description of this video. You'll find a link to one of such. Register or just send me a message on WhatsApp to ask me why I think that platform is transparent. That's just what I think. Okay? So, be careful. Be careful. Don't play. Don't play. Otherwise, you would learn. And you will learn the hard way. COTPS did the same thing. Crypto arbitrage. Swapnex did the same thing. Crypto arbitrage. A lot of these shady platforms just come take your money and just go away. All right? I don't trust this platform at all. The fact that they lied, their promoters are lying that they've been existing since 2018, red flag. Red flag. These guys just came around recently. All right? This particular website, ITP CORP, which is one of the twin websites, was created a few months ago. While the itpro.top website, yes, was created in 2018, non-functional, till this year. So this is a brand new opportunity globally. And you have to watch it because I don't trust it. What are your thoughts about this video? Leave it in the comment section below. Share this video, let more and more people see it so that you can save more and more people. And of course, please subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. I remain Victor Isibor. It's bye for now.